Airports are the 21st century.
Safety standards in aviation are written in blood. Every lesson, every guideline had one from past failures. Yet, in 2024, the industry giant, Boeing, finds itself on a precipice. Mistakes in this field are unforgiving. And here we are questioning, has Boeing learned from its past? Or are we watching a company fail to safeguard the very lives they vowed to protect? Let's dive into what Boeing faced this year. A year marked by grounded planes, mid-air scares, and calls for reform. And in 2025, what should passengers, regulators, and the industry expect? So, it was a routine flight. Alaska Airlines Flight 1282 took off from Portland International with an experienced crew, but routine turned to horror. And moments after takeoff, a massive explosion, a cabin decompression caused by a gaping hole left by a missing door plug. Imagine being in that cabin, watching the night sky through a hole where a door should be. A child's t-shirt ripped off from his back, shoes, phones, all gone. The sanction was merciless, and despite the terror, the pilots managed a swift emergency descent, bringing everyone home alive. But this wasn't a victory, this was a wake up call. The National Transportation Safety Board immediately launched a full investigation. Their findings were shocking. The door plug, critical to cabin integrity, was missing essential bolts. A simple oversight with devastating potential. And the consequences rippled through the airline industry, grounding Boeing's 737-900 MAX models nationwide. A grim reminder of earlier MAX failures. As inspectors dug deeper, patterns emerged. Incomplete installations, inadequate oversight, loose bolts. The aircraft had passed inceptions with these fatal flaws, and Boeing wasn't fully cooperating. Missing documents, delayed responses, and even overwritten security footage left investigators frustrated and determined. Flight 1282 wasn't an isolated incident. This year alone, nearly 100 reported incidents involving Boeing aircraft raised alarms worldwide. Lawsuits piled up from passengers whose trust was shattered, and whistleblowers within Boeing brought new allegations to light, accusing the company of cutting corners to save time and money. Even Kayak, a popular search platform, saw a record surge in people searching for flights on non Boeing aircraft. Public sentiment had shifted, a worrying indicator of Boeing's battered reputation. 2024 has left Boeing at a crossroads, a point where half measures and delayed reforms could lead to irreversible damage. The aviation world is watching to see if Boeing will prioritize profit or people, reputation or reform. So, what should we expect, or rather, demand from Boeing in 2025? Boeing has two paths forward. The first, a full commitment to transparency and quality. This would mean fundamental changes, meticulous inspections, unfiltered cooperation with regulators, and genuine accountability. The other, a continued cycle of patchwork fixes and PR campaigns that will only deepen the distrust. Imagine a world where Boeing is known not for the tragedies of the past, but decisive action and meaningful reform. A company where every flight inspires confidence, where every part is examined, every system tested, and every life valued. So, this isn't just about Boeing, it's about every person who steps on a plane. We cannot settle for anything less than a renewed, reformed Boeing, one that is ready to step into 2025 with a promise that goes beyond words. The passengers of Flight 1282 deserve better. The world deserves better. So if you've made it this far, you know just how high the stakes are for Boeing, for every airline, and for us, the passengers who trust them. So stay tuned as we keep watch on the skies and join us next time as we delve deeper into the world of aviation. So until
Nose
next
wheel.
time,
One of your nose
it's
tires
goodbye.
just came off. It just rolled off the runway behind you.
Just like with the 747, and most likely wasn't Boeing's fault, as it's thought to be a